Good morning, everybody. Can you guys tell how beautiful it is out today? We have had the weirdest year of weather, just constant teasing of, summer when we were in spring and then getting cold again and finally summer coming and then constant teasing of fall coming and then we had fall. And it has been some days that have been like high of 40, high of like 38. And we've seen snow flurries, like very minimal snow flurries, but we've seen them. Today is 64 and it is deer opener. Last year when I hunted in Minnesota, it was snow on the ground because we got snow around Halloween. So there was snow on the ground and it was like mid 30s or low 30s. Redonkulous. Today is 64, tomorrow is 62. Austin and I are hunting this year. We are hunting this year, but not today. Courtney had a wedding planned. So she's got the wedding this morning, and then Austin and I are going to go out hunting tomorrow. So have a little bit more flexibility, and I may be able to go some late afternoon, evenings after Austin gets off of school for a couple hours, or maybe go out in the morning by myself. But anyway, it is gorgeous out today, 64. We were just hanging out. We all kind of slept in. I got up with Court and then I kind of went back to sleep because I was tired. I've been getting up early all week. Today, we're making a big old breakfast. I got the Blackstone. You guys have seen this before. Courtney got this for me for Father's Day last year. Probably one of the best gifts I've gotten as far as the amount of use that it gets. So, we're going to make some pancakes. Some Kodiak cakes, some bacon, some eggs, see what else we find. But that's what we're going to do this morning, have a nice breakfast and hang out. I got a few little house projects to do and I just enjoy the weather. It is on the grill. Probably when I flip that, I'm going to do my pancakes, which this thing is money. Blackstone makes one, but I couldn't find one without having to buy a whole kit that included everything else I already had. So this is Nord Pro we got off Amazon. Just squeeze that lever and it drops pancake batter in nice little circles. And then we got some eggs. We got bacon, eggs, and pancakes. Figured I'd show you guys how the pancake dispenser works. Oops. Oop. What are you guys doing?
Playing that.
Oh, nice. Dad got a new toy. Courtney's tires on her Jeep needed to be rotated, so instead of bringing it in to get it rotated and paying somebody else to do it, I just bought my own floor jack because I've been wanting to get one of these for years instead of using just a little like bottle jacks that come with the vehicles. They're not as stable, so I ended up getting a 3-ton floor jack and a couple jack stands, so it'll allow me to work on vehicles a lot better in my garage. Cheap entertainment, easily entertained. So I'll show you guys what I am working on. Excuse the mess. Trying to wire a light and fan combo. Now, I like the fan and light combo. It's a pretty cool design. Probably going to do it with the black blades because you can reverse the blades, either dark brown or like, well, I should say like a medium brown or like a dark mocha brown. So I'm probably going to do that color. It does have a light on it, so it looks nice. I'm going to mount it like this where it doesn't come down that far, but it is going to come down about 14 or 15 inches. Nobody will hit their head on it, but it might just feel a little low. So I'm going to try to get it hooked up and then see what Court thinks when she gets home, but we may have to go another route. We'll see. All right, you guys. Fan mount is complete. I don't think it's too bad. I mean, I have like, I'm like, Yeah, like 12 inches before I hit my head on it, and I don't think we know anybody that is like 7 feet or taller. So I don't know. I like it. I think it looks good. I think it's modern. Do I wish I could have had one that mounted a little more flush to the ceiling? Yes. But I think the only one that I found that mounted lower was maybe like 11 or 12 inches, and this one is 14, so it's not that much lower.
Hey guys, we are already setting up our Christmas tree. Poppy's first Christmas.
Poppy, your first Christmas tree.
Christmas.
We are excited. So Ethan is actually flying to Texas this weekend to go get his brother from Texas and drive them all here. So I was like, well, let's do the Christmas tree now. We are actually supposed to be getting snow tonight.
1 inch.
1 inch. And then Saturday.
I don't know.
Yeah. 70% chance.
Oh, I knew Saturday. I just didn't know. I thought you were asking me how much snow we were supposed to get on Saturday.
Oh, I don't know. But 1 inch tonight. So this is what we're doing right now. Also, Austin has some exciting news.
We're running outside when it starts snowing.
Yeah.
For jackets. I don't know about snow pants because it's not going to be that much.
I'm wearing my
Snow pants and boots and jackets and hats and gloves. We're going to be running outside.
Yep.
Snow.
Poppy, what are you going to do with your new snow? Your fresh snow? You don't even know.
I should put Poppy's sweater on right now.
Oh, yeah. No, what's your exciting news, Austin?
Yeah.
I got a job.
Austin got a job.
He got a job.
Where at? Culver's.
One of the best restaurants.
Yep. We will be frequenting.
The best
Lots.
restaurant according to Dude Perfect.
Did Dude Perfect say that?
Yep.
But they
What?
put Chick-fil-A
They put-
above all.
Chick-fil-A had the like crown,
Yeah.
but Culver's was like their number one with the other 10 restaurants that they rated.
I concur.
Austin, tell them what they said about
But
what
babe,
Dude
they
Perfect
put
said about-
Culver's above Whataburger, so
They
Ruh-roh.
didn't even put Whataburger up there.
Whataburger
What?
wasn't even up there, yeah.
Austin, you have to tell Mom
Huh.
what they said about
They
Subway.
put White Castle up there.
No.
But-
What?
But then I think they kicked it off.
Yeah, White Castle is
And
not good.
Cane's.
Should I throw these pants away?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You want to Instagram that?
I'm gonna log it.
Vlog it.
Dad had to get some new pants.
He's got a big fat hole in his hands because of his big fat butt.
Hey. All the Christmas decorating done. Well, not all. We're close.
We have a
Courtney's
pile.
got to get some more stuff for the mantle, but
Yeah.
we are, as tradition goes, going to watch a Christmas movie tonight. What did we decide on? Elf? Home Alone?
Oh.
I think we decided on Elf.
Okay. So we're gonna make some popcorn. This is our new popcorn maker called Popco. It is so slick.
Seriously.
Like, pretty much just as fast as microwave popcorn.
Yeah, and it's way easier than doing like on the stove popcorn, which is my personal favorite way to eat popcorn with like fresh butter. But this, the first time we did it, we put oil on the bottom because that's what the instructions said. But everybody on Instagram was like, we do it without any oil. You can just put the seeds in and literally put it in the microwave, and it's like done. It takes like 2 minutes.
And it's like
Mix it.
It's
perfect.
so good. Yeah.
It's so good. And we're using Amish,
Should I mix
what is
it?
it called? Amish country popcorn or something?
Yeah.
And we are using Kerrygold butter, salted butter. That's what we love to put over our popcorn. So we're gonna drizzle that over.
Happy
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Happy Thanksgiving, you guys. we are kind of just chilling and we are getting ready. It's like 1 in the afternoon. I've already edited a video that's gonna be up really soon that I'm excited about. Poppy, it's your first Thanksgiving. Okay, you guys, I got a message on Instagram yesterday of Poppy's sister and I died at her face. Oh my gosh.
What's her name again?
I think it's Mocha. Is
Yeah,
that how
Mocha.
you say it?
Matilda.
M-O-K-A. I don't know, but she's the cutest little thing ever. She looks just like Poppy, however.
She has like white line down her nose. She
and
has white.
Her muzzle's like a little bit more white than Poppy's. Poppy's just brown and black, and she's like, oh, it was the best message. I was like, oh my gosh, she's so cute. Poppy only has one sister, so in the litter there was only the 2 of them. But, so Ethan's all nervous. I sent him a TikTok of this like amazing mac and cheese, and I was like, we have to make this for Thanksgiving, but gluten-free. So, we'll kind of walk you guys through it. We'll try to make it like semi-fast. We don't know if it's good or not because we haven't tried it.
It looks amazing. I
It
mean, look at
looks
this. Look at the ingredients.
Okay, it's all the cheese. All the cheese.
Colby Jack, medium cheddar, white cheddar, sharp cheddar, mozzarella. We're using gluten-free elbow macaroni. We do have
Garlic.
to use the gluten-free flour because
Yes.
there's a little bit.
There's a little flour. Which the
garlic.
gluten-free flour, do you want to show them which one you're
All
going to be
things
using?
dairy, heavy cream,
Yeah. Oh my gosh, my stomach is going to be not happy with me.
gold butter.
And then we're also going to be having cream corn.
Oh gosh, yeah. Okay, let's show Nevaeh, you guys. Oh, this is the gluten-free flour we're going to be using. We kind of go in between the King Arthur's and this, but this is good for baking. So, Ethan will be doing this. I'm gonna go do my makeup. You guys, I wanted to share the jammies that I got from Walmart. These are amazing. They're so comfortable, so cute, perfect for Christmas. I will link them below. They were on sale. I got them for everybody. Oh, do you guys love them?
They're so soft, but it's really hot.
They are really hot. They're very warm. So it's good for us Minnesotans. This is the TikTok. I will leave a link below if you guys are interested in this too. So we cooked the noodles and then we just basically have to make the cheese sauce and then put the, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so, oh
We
yeah.
need all of that.
All this cheese needs to be grated.
And she just finished one of them, so.
Yep, I'm gonna do half. Nevaeh wants to do the other half.
Yep, all the cheese.
The cheese is shredded. We are ready for the cheese sauce.
I let this cool a little bit, so it's just kind of warm as opposed to hot, because I didn't want the noodles to start cooking again, because we are going to put this in this insulated carrier and bring it over to Courtney's parents. Perfect.
We have to open it.
Oh, it's going to be like
Officially off to my mom's, and we have to bring our slippers because she keeps her house
perfect.
freezing cold. Ethan loves it. I freeze my butt off. I'm not joking, you guys. She like has her house at wrapping them all. Yeah, like 65. Sometimes it's like 58. I swear it's freezing. So I should probably grab my blanket too. But this is what I'm wearing: just jeans and t-shirt. I got my friend's Thanksgiving sweatshirt or Friendsgiving sweatshirt to wear today too. And we all have our Walmart jammies we are also bringing, which I'll probably be changing into really soon because, you know, it's cold. But we're gonna take a picture out on the front step. Look at Nevaeh's hair. I kinked it. Didn't kink it. I used the mermaid waver on her. It's beautiful.
It looks shorter.
It does. That's what happens with the curls. Curls make your hair shrink.
Sassy. So I said to Grandpa, if I get sassy, you'll have to take me
Better
downstairs.
give me a plate to put on.
Grandma gets sassy. I'll have to take her downstairs.
Too much wine.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it
It's not
delicious?
that hot, though.
Is it your best mac and cheese you've ever had?
Oh, you gonna sit here? No.
No. Hey,
It's not the
she
best?
said no. She's honest. Hey. No, she likes it. It's not her.
It's just not my favorite.
It's not her favorite.
Wow.
Wow.
She is honest. Wait